Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with YNAB easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the YNAB website at www.younneedabudget.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page that offers different membership options. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. After selecting a plan, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address into the provided field. Next, create a strong password by typing it into the password field. Make sure to follow the password guidelines to ensure your account's security. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from YNAB in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. After confirming your email, you will be redirected back to the YNAB website. Here, you will need to fill in some additional personal information. Enter your first name and last name in the appropriate fields. Next, you might be asked to answer some questions about your budgeting goals. Take a moment to answer these questions to help tailor your experience. Once you've completed the questions, click on Continue to move forward. Now you will be guided to set up your first budget. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your financial details as requested. After entering all required information, review your budget setup. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the process. Once you're satisfied, click on Finish Setup to complete your registration. Congratulations, you are now registered with YNAB and can start managing your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.